Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check, I have opened JPY currency index pair, okay, and Euro USD also. So we will take trades from the next candle. See, if you check here, we have a resistance level and the candle is too strong. But with the margin of safety, we can go with sellers. Here, one more thing I have to say. This candle sometimes will be buyer's candle too, but it will be a weak candle. Why? Because of the strong buying pressure, it will make at least one weak candle. Later the market make a reversal. Sometimes only this kind of things will happen. So we'll see. Why? Because previously the market was moving in a sideways, so all of a sudden the buyers are getting strong. So these all points make me to think in this way only, because sometimes only these kind of rare cases will be happened. In the end, I will show you my history too, so maximum try to watch up to the end. See, here the sellers are rejecting strong. Maybe our second entry point make us win. See, finally the sellers have entered strongly, so we got a weak candle. So now I have confidently gone with sellers. Why? Because before we need a reversal candle, because left side we have a strong selling area where you have seen a momentum of sellers. Sometimes these kind of situations will get enter. So in these kind of situations, try to wait or try to understand the market clearly. So whenever if you get these kind of situations, try to wait for these kind of areas. Why? Because all of a sudden market is making an U-turn, and previous the market is in a sideways. So you should check these all points. Okay. Yeah, in the community tab, I have opened a poll regarding trendline strategy. If you really need the video, try to vote. So kindly check once. Okay. See, if you check here at the last 2 seconds, it came to red. So what you can expect the next candle? See, previous we have a momentum, one weak selling candle. So what you can expect? Yes, you can expect a buying candle, at least for one candle. Why? Because previous there was a momentum and the sellers which have entered are too weak. So you can continue with the buyers easily. So that's the reason only I'm going with buying candle. In the community tab, we have a post. Try to check once. Okay. There are moreover for the newcomers, there are so many questions left. So try to answer that too, because you may gain basic knowledge. So here, if you check, coming to the chart easily, we can go with buyers here, because as of you all know, one candle can't stop the momentum. So at least you can expect one. The left side, I don't have any level. Can I go with buyers? Yeah, I will go with buyers. Okay, let me check once again. Here I have gone with buyers because the market made an U-turn, so easily we can go up. But let me, okay, there is a level. Okay, let me plot the level. Okay, I will go with sellers, sorry, because didn't watch the level. In the left side, we have previous retest area where you can expect selling candle only. So these kind of areas only we should check the market thoroughly. Why? Because at the present the market is moving before it was a sideways. We have both the resistance and support. When it was breakout, you should check the previous levels, because depending upon the previous levels only the next market will be deciding. So you should check these all points whenever you are trading. So that's why I have gone with sellers. So easily I got win. Okay, in this I have 50-50 chances. I will try to change the pair, maybe Euro USD. Yeah, here the market wants to going uptrend. Here I have a chance. Okay, I will go with buyers. Okay, maybe there is a gap, but let's see what will happen. I will go with buyers here. Sometimes this candle may fulfill, sometimes it may reverse, but it is a 50-50 trade. So, but my next reversal is in the downside. If it is buyers, okay, it's fine. Sometimes it will fulfill and it will go up. So let's see how the situations are today. So whenever you are trading, take the trades with confirmations only. Why? Because when you have trend line or horizontal line, you have a confidence trade. In the middle, you can't go blindly. If you go, sometimes you can face losses like this. See, now I have a confirmation and the market has closed exact at the buying area. So easily I could go with buyers here. Let me trade a place. Okay. Why I have gone with buyers? Previous, if you notice, it's an SNR area and previous candle was a reversal sign and there is a weakness too, and overall it's an uptrend. So these all points easily confirmations for the uptrend. So whenever you are trading in the market, try to take multi confirmations. Then only you will understand the market easily. So whenever you are trading, try to take valid trades only because you could understand the market better. And if you have really any doubts, message me in the Telegram. You may get answers easily. Okay. Here you can check the buyers have entered strongly. Okay, we'll change the chart. Here what do you notice? Yes, you can go with sellers. Why? Because previous there was a level where the sellers are getting stronger and coming down. So easily you can go with sellers here. But my entry point, okay, wait, here I got an entry point. Okay, late entry. Let's see what will happen. But the candle will be selling candle only. Easily we can win. Why? Because market is respecting the previous retest level. So easily you could go with sellers here. Why? Because comparing to the previous sellers, from that level you are getting strong sellers. So easily you could go with sellers here. So when you have these kind of confirmations, only take trade. If you don't have any clarity, just try to change the chart or wait for the right opportunity at the right area. Don't take trades blindly. See, this candle was a selling candle. Because of my entry point, I got loss. See, now I will go with buyers here. If you notice, there is a gap down and previous resistance now become support. So easily I can go with buyers here. Okay, up to where? Up to the next level, which was on the top. So you should check these all points. See, if you check the gap down, you will understand why the buyers all of a sudden has been entered. Still there is a gap, but the buyers have made a gap down and buyers have confidently entering. So these kind of situations will be get in the maximum times. You should analyze the every point, then you may get clarity also. See, all of a sudden the buyers are getting too strong. If it is closed exact at the level, I can go with a reversal. Why? Because previous from that particular area only, the sellers have entered strongly. So that's the reason again I can go with sellers here. Now the market will continue down maybe easily. So whenever you are trading in these kind of situations, try to check the left side levels also. If you have left side chart, it will be more easy to take trades. Why? Because it's give a clarity about the chart. So you should understand these all points. If you don't have a left side chart, try to follow the trend line or take trades at the trend line only whenever it is respecting how the market is moving. So follow the momentum on that time. If you have a chart, try to draw a levels. Later, try to plot the levels. Okay. See here, at last the sellers have been entered strongly. See how it is. Okay. Here, if you check once again, let me check once again. Okay. Here we can go with buyers, but let me take an entry point, a late entry. But in the favor of rejection, I will go with sellers here. This will be buying candle only, but I will take a reversal trade. Okay, even it is a late entry. Okay, let's see what will happen, because previous two candles are a weak candles and I will draw a level for you. This is the resistance. Okay, let me draw a level. This is the resistance level. So easily market make minimum rejections, so maybe it could close somewhat down, maybe we can win in the favor of rejection only. So that's the reason only I'm going to take a reversal trade. So, and the momentum is also fast in this chart. Okay, we'll stick on the previous chart. Here we got win. Okay, here we can't trade because the momentum is too fast. So I will try to change the pair. Okay, if possible, here I don't have any level. Here I got a confirmation. Yeah, I can continue with the selling here easily. Why? Because the market is coming from a top and we got a selling confirmation. Easily we can win this trade. Okay, even entry points also okay. Why all of a sudden the buyers are getting stronger? There is no level, right? Side I don't have any level. Still, why it is green? Do you have an idea? I don't have any kind of level here. Okay, I will continue with the sellers. I don't know why. Let me check once again. I will go with sellers confidently now. Why? Because okay, I have got a level. Okay, I forgot this minor level. Let me draw a level. Now the horizontal is not a level. There is a trend line. I will show you the trend line. Okay, sometimes we may forget these kind of hidden levels, but we should focus. Here is the level I am showing you. 1 second. Okay, there is a level I didn't notice at all. Okay, maybe it could be a retracement. Again, the market will continue to the down only. So sometimes these kind of things will happen in the binary market. Okay, we'll continue the trade. We'll show you. Here the sellers will come definitely, and again we can continue to the downtrend because as of now we don't have any kind of levels, so easily I could continue. Okay, here let me show you the level for the first of all. Here if you check, there is a level. Okay, have you got it? So that's the reason only we have got loss previously. Okay, we forget it. We are focusing on the horizontals only in the previous, but all of a sudden there is a trump card like level is there, so sometimes it will happen. See, again we can go with sellers here. Maybe by plotting the levels I have missed the entry point, but it's okay. Even if it is loss also we can okay. Why? Because it's a selling candle. Easily we can win this trade because the market wants to go down only. So you should check these all points whenever you're trading. Okay, can you predict what is the next candle here? Okay, we got loss because of our entry point. I think one is loss except 2 or 3 or my entry points only. This time I didn't make a late entry. I entered perfect. So I'm going down. Why? Because as I said, the market wants to make an U-turn. See, this is my history. You can check. So easily you can understand. Every trade, if you don't understand, try to watch again. You will understand the points better. If you don't understand, take a screenshot and send it to me. I will definitely reply you. Okay, see how the sellers are strong. Why? Because market has made an U-turn by rejecting the previous retest level. So you should take considerations these all things. See, all of sellers are strong continuously. If you notice, the sellers are getting strong here. Okay, can you guess what is the next candle? My view is I can go with buyers. What about yours? Okay, I will show you why I am going with buyers. Means here left side you have a momentum area. Okay, it's a buyers area as expected. Okay, let me show you and adjust the level for you. Okay, here you have a buyers area. This is strong area and that the sellers are also strong. Can't you expect at least one candle? So you can expect minimum one candle in these kind of areas. And you got a rejection from the sellers also. So easily you could expect one candle. Okay, what is the next candle? Can you guess? This is the buyer's candle. It's final. we'll close this topic of this present candle. What is the next candle? Can we go with sellers or buyers? Do you have 3 seconds? See, you can check my history also. Okay, here I will go with sellers. Why I am going with sellers? As every time I am saying, momentum, one candle can't stop the momentum. And second confirmation is market is trying to come down. See, if you understand, previous market has been retested and coming down, so easily you can expect sellers. After breakout you could expect buyers, that's the secondary thing. Up to now you can expect sellers. So I think this is my last trade. I think you have checked the history also, and you have got all the points why I'm trading at the levels only and in the middle of the trend with the reasons also. So try to understand the market. If you really have any doubts, you can message us in the Telegram. We will definitely reply you. Okay guys, this is my history. Okay, let the candle get closed. I will end the session of today. So okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you.